Welcome to this video, and thank you for joining today. If you use Vimeo, you may want to update your profile name to reflect a new identity, brand, or simply correct a mistake. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your name directly. First, open the Vimeo app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon at top right. Then, click on View Profile. Next, click on Edit Profile. This option allows you to make changes to your personal details. In the field marked Name, remove your old name and type the new one you would like to display. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your changes. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.